To use Xiaomi 17T Pro as a remote controller for almost any device, you have to start by opening application screen and search for Mi Remote application. If not available, it means that you will have to download this, for example, from Google Play Store or by using the Xiaomi Store. Once you get it on your phone, you have to make sure that you click here to add remote. Now select your device. So for example, if you want to do this with your TV, you will have to click on it. Now you will have to just simply raise the phone, because if you are wondering why, then the IR blaster is actually available right here. So it's not here like it was in some other models, for example with the, there was the Redmi Note models, it was here. Currently is actually built into the camera. So you have to just raise your phone and point the camera to the device that you want to adjust. Now you have to make this one. You have to hold the phone with its back facing the device. This is something that I told you. Now you are looking for your TV. So for me, I have a Samsung TV. There we go. I'm selecting Samsung. We have to turn on our TV right now. Click on, and now we have to point the remote at TV and tap the button. If TV respond, it means that configuration is good and you can just go forward. So clicking power, and if your device, if your TV turn on or off, you clicking yes. If not, you are going for another one and you are testing each one. Let's say that the 8th one will be proper. I'm selecting yes. Now I can set name for device. I can also add a shortcut to the home screen. I can click here to confirm, and here I can find all of my shortcuts that I can use. Take a look. And what is also really useful, as I told you, we can just put it on that home screen, so we can get quick access into this one, and you can actually add a multiple devices. You can use this for a multiple devices. This is like very useful feature.